This lure changed the course of my day in a matter of hours.
I went from having the worst day on the water to catching a really nice fish.
Let's go.
So let's get on the water.
Let me turn this on. This current is going to be annoying. Kind of windy out today, but it's okay, boys. Nice. The frog's looking good. All right. Yeah, it's looking really juicy. I love this pond as well. It probably holds an 11-pounder, I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be some giants caught, hopefully. If not, I'll come outside another day when it's a little bit cooler and hopefully catch a giant. And the water's actually, it's normally pretty decently clear in here always, but today it's pretty dirty. It's been raining a lot, so that could be a factor. And yeah, this is what the frog looks like. Like that right there. So it's a poppin' perch from striking. It might be too hot for this. I don't know, boys. All right. Here we go. New destination. Pretty dang excited. This Blastbone Jr. about to go to work. I could see that thing from a mile away. Holy. Oh my gosh, I forgot the net. You gotta be joking me. If I get a big one, man, I might be cooked. Especially with these trebles. That won't be fun. I'm not about to boat flip hopefully to be a 10-pound bass, but honestly, I might be able to. Got 50-pound braid on this rod, which is my 7'4" Lew's Custom XP. I love this rod. I've had it for like 2.5 years. It's one of my favorites, especially for bigger baits like this, but they're not that big, but they're borderline in the big area, so performs greatly. Oh, maybe I gotta work it slower because it's hot. That's probably what I gotta do. Cast after cast, I just couldn't get the bite I was looking for. I even moved to many different spots, but then this happened. Oh my gosh. There we go, boys. We got one. Oh, yeah, it's a big one. Yeah, it's huge. Holy flip. I can't lose this thing. No, man, dude. Oh gosh. I'm staying up. Barely hooked. We got to boat flip him in. Let's go. Oh, man. Oh. We got a solid, I don't know, but it's a big one. Man. He inhaled it in his eyeball. Like, he personally didn't inhale it, but his eyeball did. Bro, that boat flip was the sketchiest thing I've ever come across. I gotta get my pliers. There we go, boys. Come on, come on. There we go. All right, boys. Here we go. This is the only bass of the day so far. I would probably say it's like a 4-pounder. Really nice, healthy fish. Man. It's good, boys. It's what we like to see. It's got that nice, pretty big mouth. I'm pretty impressed with this fish, guys. Oh, man. Look at that beauty. That's a good one. I don't have a scale with me. I don't have a scale with me, but it's a big, nice fish right there, boys. Oh, let's go. Let me get a picture of him. Nice big guy. Caught him on that little shiner right there. Let's give him a good release. Look at that big mouth.